Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Funky D one more time. Like as I said before, I don't really give a fuck who you are. Okay, I don't give a fuck about you. If you are good, I'm gonna talk it. If you are bad, I'm gonna talk it. Whichever ways. If let's say for example you don't dey do good since and later you come dey do bad, I will come back on talk, I will follow you up. And if you don't dey do bad since and later you come dey do good, I will still talk am. Even talk the bad wey you do before, come still talk the good wey you don't do. I talk everything together. Na so na im make me dey here. I no dey side you whether you be anything wey you be o. Na your house you be wetin you be, no be Funky D, no be anything to Funky D. Funky D is Funky D. You understand? I fear no face. Sure, you get me? All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, you get some people when they just say, they don't bribe Funky D. Funky D like this. Nobody can bribe Funky D. Funky D, is a private individual. And be say, he know himself and he know him pride and he know what he need to do. Me, I don't want your money, whether you be politician, whether you be president, whether you be Babangida, whether you be anything when you be, whether you be celebrity where you celebrate now, celebrity now your house with the celebrity, waiting with the celebrity. Not be on my own side. Share you understand, ladies and gentlemen. So make anybody not quote me right. Because you get some things when some people go talk, either they don't talk I'm right, they'll go talk I'm wrong. So the right one I go talk and the wrong one me I go still talk am. If you like, that's why they say any comment when they come, me they I won't make you know the comment. I just did like water. Water not get enemy, ladies and gentlemen. That is Funky D for you. Comment, talk what you want talk. We go analyze them together, and so life be. Because we all they learn. You they learn, me I they learn. Then life goes on. Sure you get it. So, ladies and gentlemen, today we go talk about these people. When they call the what do they call them? The media, the fake media in Nigeria. The people when they call themselves the fake media, when they call themselves say that them be gigantic media when they that country, whereas all of them are fake. Whereas they operate with the people when they oppress us, they are together because then they work for them. Meaning they are working for the people when I talk say, say our government, I talk say there is not at my own BC, there is nothing like government in Nigeria. The government in Nigeria, they don't have clue. The government in Nigeria, they don't have everything. They fabricate everything. The one where they tell us on a fabrication. They don't have clue. They don't have experience. They don't have knowledge. They don't have idea to govern. So the media when they that country, what they call AIT, NETA. And these stupid ones now, when they're on board now, they call channel television. When they didn't say then get iron for body, when they don't know what thing then they do. Now then we want to talk about today because every time, every day Funky D no see the media when we get in that country, they are fucked up. They are working with the politician hand in hand. Okay? The medias, the pastors, and the politicians, these people, if we can eliminate this group of people in that country, Nigeria will be a little bit okay. Because if pastor they deal with members, media, then they support them. As politicians, they deal with us. We won't be saying that we get the country. The media, then will cover them up. You understand? Okay, look at these small medias now when don't come out. The guy when they call them flip television, when they go street by street, they deceive people. They deceive themselves. Whether they think in America, then they live, and the people when they Nigeria, Funky D no understand. So because when you are deceiving people when they Nigeria, that means you are deceiving yourself. Because if that hardship come, it go do upon all of you. You get what they call the flip. You get what they call the CN. All these are new medias now. Then they have this channel television. They have this AIT. They have this NTA. So this group of people, they are working for the cabals. They work for the government. The thing when they do be say, like this small ones when they call flip televisions and CN, they will just go some part. They go choose some part when they will go. Then go position some people, like 4 people or 5 people when they go ask question that day. Then go position them, give them like maybe 20 naira, 100 naira. When those when one take smoke cigar, or those when they day close to the newspaper, when they take smoke igbo, when they smoke there, after they don't smoke igbo, the thing go they disturb them. They go they talk anyhow. Say na only 2 parties when they get for that contract, and na only 2 parties when they know na PDP and APC. That is the job of these small medias when don't come out. Now they call it flip TV, and I even know the boy when they do that, when they give them the money, they go just hang. They do like say that they read newspaper. Some they go just do position them like say then they pass. Sure, you understand that game now. Already they don't position them there. Okay, now then go first read there before the person when they ask them question go land. They go that's which party you like. Then go say oh now only two political party when we know in the country. See the party when they know be APC and PDP. Come on. So Funky didn't want to talk about it today. So why not they go they deceive myself? Your mama when born you when they ask that question. Your mama when born you did that country they suffer. Because even the cloth when you wear self not worth 1 naira. All these cloth where they sell what do they call them okay, cloth when you they wear every day, they come out for the street, they ask people question. You self when they ask question, you they suffer. Your organ go just they brainwash you, go carry microphone, they ask people question up and down. You get another one again, not only that, and there are about 3 televisions now when I don't understand seeing, and then they go outside, they say them be television station where they don't give people money for a road and go stand and they go begin ask them question. People they suffer in that country. You self when they ask the question, you they suffer. Why are you people deceiving on yourself? So what they call it? All these television stations when they get in Nigeria and the politicians and the pastors, now then they frustrate our people. Now then they frustrate Nigerian people. These people now then they help the cabals. Pastors, if the cabals go loot money, then go carry this money, give them pastors to go build church. That is why when you see this thing, when all this havoc when they happen in that country, nobody they talk about because everything they their hand. I mean the politicians, the pastors, and the media. Politicians go do, media go cover them. Media they no go tell us what thing they happen. They go tell us another thing. Politicians the same thing. They go carry money, they go give it to pastor. Pastor go there, he go build church. Then the money when the congregation they give tithe and the offering because from they don't hear now say tithe don't become problem in Nigeria. If you not give tithe for church, pastor go push you come and say why you not give church tithe. If you don't give offering, pastor go pursue you say why you not give because he won't pay money to the politician boss when give them the money quick so that the church will become his own. How did they take pay? Now through the money when they give tithe and offering. Look at that man. I don't know. I don't forget his name. What they call I think it's Enoch. Enoch what? This new guy now that is out that called himself a pastor that is there deceiving himself. What is his name again? So that guy, the church that this guy, that church when he built for Abuja, when they say what, whether not billions or be millions, we are not saying that church is going to billions. When they say they contain about 150,000 members, I be 100,000 members. Funky did not want to know. Funky didn't want to ask that guy, Where you get the money when you take build that kind of church? If not be politician give you that money. You they come out, they insult people, they tell people say, them be poor people. That is why, like the one when he tell that our brother they call Daddy Freeze, say Daddy Freeze not poor man, Daddy Freeze not get money, Daddy Freeze the jealous. Where do you have that money if not be politician? Then carry that money give you. So tell me now, why we go believe in pastors? Tell me why we go believe in these so-called medias. And tell me how we go believe the people that call themselves politicians in that country. Because all of them, they cover each other. So, Funky D said the media went to that country, they try. The pastor went to that country, they need to pursue them, enter inside bush. Because they are not pastors. They are not men of God. They are men of devil. Then these media people themselves, from Kidi, they pray day in and day out, made them close down by the grace of God. Because now they aid the politicians. And the politicians, they aid Una. Because politicians, they give Una plenty money. Not to talk waiting that they do us when be citizen. Waiting that they do to the masses of Nigeria. Because that money when they don't give Una don't take them. They use they build mansion, they drive big cars. Then people when they suffer and they know because now they rule the country. God go punish every media men and women when they cover any politician in that country. When they cover the dirty things when politicians then they do in that country. And you when they call yourself pastor, all of them, including TB Joshua, including Pastor Chris, including whether not Chris, whether not Pastor Chris, so Funky D no one know how to take address you because they work for devil. Including that when they call Suleiman, when don't disgrace himself several times. When be aboking, when they claim saying a pastor. When they tell in church members, say, maybe they go any social media again. Because now there himself they collect his information when they take the deceiving church member. Including TB Joshua and Pastor Christ. Including this one now, when this devilish boy now when don't come out now. When they call Enoch, when they whether Abuja in Dabin and Lagos the boy do, me I never know. Pastor Koti. All of una, God go punish all of una for the deceive one they deceive our people. For the deceive one they deceive the people of Nigeria. For the evil one they do. God must to answer una quick. So, ladies and gentlemen, these three categories of the politician, the the media group in that country, and the pastors. If these people, if we can eliminate these people, if we can ask them to just find their way, close the whole churches one day, Nigeria there, Nigeria is for better. How can media they lie people of the country? Because politicians don't give you money. How can these people they go inside street by street, they give people 1 naira, be 2, be 10 naira. Those people say when they not see breakfast job, because some of them when they come out they say, oh, my stomach is empty. Why your stomach not go empty when you go vote your brie? Or when you won't come vote article now, why your stomach not go empty? Why you no go hungry when we say you no disagree to learn lesson? They come out, they deceive your mama when born you and the papa when born you for newspaper stand. The thing when not good, you go say na good thing. Una go dey fight for Drubri and Atiku. When una know say Atiku, some people say Atiku not do anything. Now so some of them they talk say Atiku not do anything. Some go say Atiku do something. Some go say Buhari not do anything. Some go say Buhari do something. Because some of them are APC. The one when be APC go come up, they go tell them now those people when they carry the microphone, when they say that them be the media, now they tell them what to say. There only two political parties in that country. Where only two political parties in Nigeria there? Unbelievable. Okay, you when be pastor from Kidi say make you go drop the Bible. Because people when be native doctor, then they just talk them. Poor say them be native doctor. Then go just talk them. So you go follow the native doctor. Drop the Bible. Make una drop una Bible and stop deceiving people. Stop deceiving people of Nigeria. Which day all this thing will end? Because when see say our God is a patient God. That is why when they get, if to say if somebody do bad, God go just give that person in own sharp. Una for no they do all this kind of thing. Because una know say our Lord Jesus Christ is a patient God. That is why una they do all these things. I mean the pastors from Kidi say make una go drop Bible. Make una kuku they do the native doctor work. Because now native doctor of una be. Because that's something when I don't see when they don't put out in a Google. Now I'm not they go pick up, go do prophecy for inside church. Una when be saying I'm supposed to talk to politicians. What is all this kind of a thing? Or all this fake vision where they see say una they prophesy say una see this, una see that. I don't know where una they see all this thing where una they see. Sure you get. Funky did not know. Somebody go just come out after I don't collect politician money, you go begin to talk any and say, you see say now this one now go come out as a president. You don't see say now that one now go come out. Something when you don't see inside, when you don't go inside internet, when you don't see already, you go they telling church member for inside church because they are all blind. God of mercy. May God have mercy on all these pastors. Make un funky this say make un adjust because we don't know everything when they talk, na lie. Una never see any vision one day. Una never heal anybody one day. If you say you they heal somebody, not be only inside your church. Funky D, they challenge you, TB Joshua, Pastor Chris, Pastor Koti. This pastor now calling up when just come out now. Then I waiting be this man name again. All of una, when say una, they say they boy, all of una. And they challenge you now, say make una go hospital by hospital. Now there people when they sick day. Waka go there one day without your fake handkerchief when they wave, when they take they deceive yourself. Or that when they say you they blow breeze, make people go fall. Waka enter inside General Hospital, at least in Lagos there. Make you perform that thing when you they perform. Make you see them. Make we see how many people go fall that why you fall when they fall. Why you fall? Make we see how many people when we say then they sick since. Make we see how many people when you go heal that day. Make you the waka go church by church. Hospital by hospital. Because not be only Bible not saying only inside church you go heal people. With the one they do for inside church. From Gidi say now wayo. They give them money. They bring some people from South Africa. They bring some people from different countries. Because all those things happened for TB Joshua Church that time when many South African people die and nobody talking today because politicians they work with them. Nobody talking. All those people when don't pay come from South Africa when they come out for and when God come punish them that day for inside that TB Joshua Church. All of them can't die. Even still give their wife and some of their husband money, make them talk say their wife they see their husband for heaven. They God say they don't enter heaven. Which is heaven? Even as TB Joshua day, you no go see heaven. You will never smell heaven because you are a big sinner. All of una when they call yourself pastors in that pastors and the preacher and the prophet in that country. All of una na wayo una no go ever see heaven, including they would have Suleiman. It's not a pastor. I will not give him that name or prophet. TB Joshua, you are not a prophet. Chris, you are not a pastor and you are not a prophet. You all are native doctors. No, go drop on a Bible. Make we for sea road. Because you now they spoil that country. The media people, when they that country, I say, God go give all of honor. When they cover atrocities, when politicians then they do, and nothing say we no go know. We must to know. Not be this era again, we are going to hide things for Funky D and people of Nigeria. All this you breathing when I don't try to hide day in and day out. And I see they hide, they cover that man. Una must bring that man out. That man must come for debate. That man must come out and confess, including his so-called wife. Una don't cover these people's sins. So God don't punish Una, bring them out. Una don't carry money quiet. Up to today, no television station interviewed that person when they call saying at their own Buhari. Not be Nigerian Buhari be that. That one a man from Sudan. It's Jubri. Al-Sudani from Sudan. Since when they talk say this man na this person from na foreigner, no television channel or television station in that country fi go question am. Nobody don't call this man one day, say, man, look, then they talk like this, so we are tired. Our people, they press us, say, make we ask you question. Who are you? Nobody. Aisha Buhari don't tell them, say, na two people, two cabas, na them holding husband to ransom. Still, uno not invite Aisha Buhari, uno not question them, nothing. Then, what kind of television station do you have? What kind of television channel do you have? What kind of media are you? You are not no media. You are an evil person. You are no media. Because if you are media, you are supposed to be straightforward. As Funky D, they go straight. You are supposed to come out clean. As Funky D, they come out clean. They talk the matter as it just be. Time is coming for you people, the media people. Time will soon come. All of you are no good day again. Everything na cover. Even when Boko Haram kill 100 military, then go say na two then kill. Can you imagine? After the thief government, the so-called criminal government, don't give una money. Put for pocket. Say, make una not talk, say, then kill our army. Make una not talk, make una talk, say, only two people then kill. Now, so media go come, then go tell Nigerian people. Nigeria go believe them. And still, they go still go vote for them. I don't understand. Even that when they say 100 and key, the first say 80 something, after they can say 100, after they can say that them more than 100 people when Boko Haram kill because of shame. And who they give us that shame? Now Jubri, because Jubri refused to buy military hardwares. Jubri refused. All the home money when they come, when they said and they see from here, they see from there, then they shared them. And that is why Atiku don't come now. Atiku don't come say making take power, making continue from where Jubri and Buhari stop. Make it continue to loot. After Basenjo don't tell us say the money when Atiku go reach feed 300 million people for 400 years. Nigerian people who know they hear word. That is why Funkidi say, man, if the country won't divide, make it just the divide. Make everybody just go on the way. Because everybody is tired of the media. Everybody is tired of these people when they call themselves government. Because Funkidi knows saying are gangsters. Now then they inside that Aso Rock. They are not government. They are not government, ladies and gentlemen. Our people in Libya, they die in millions. In millions. Nobody they talk am. The government never talk am. One day, the government never say, okay, make we send people or make we send money, make this our people, make them come back. These people, they are suffering there. Until when Funkidi don't hear now say, now sell them, they sell them now. As slave in Libya. Then what kind of government are you? Your people they run from your country. You think say na good thing? Nigerian youth then they run in millions. They enter Libya. Whether na leg that they take go there, Funkidi don't know where they carry go there. Funkidi never go there before. I don't know how that place look like. I don't know the road where they follow enter where they enter. But I see them in television all the time. So the Italian government now say they go they return them back. So when they cross from Libya now, that water and Libya now, then go return them after they don't reach Italy. Italian government they carry them go back to Libya, and Libya people go put these people inside prison, and nobody's talking about this thing. And you are telling people that you are government? Which kind of government are you? And the what's it called? The Nigerian so-called media, they will not report it. They will not report it, ladies and gentlemen. They won't report it. What is all this kind of government? What is this kind of people that I hijack Nigeria? They just hijack Nigeria. All this money when they say they recover, I never, at least if they bring, let's say, even 50 million, let's say 500 million naira they talk. All those people when they leave, all of them don't come back. 500 million too much now. Even 100 million naira, all of them don't come back. They are dying in. You will see people they sink in 170,000 Nigerian people that will just sink in Mediterranean Sea. They go just die like that. Different occasion. Sometimes 200, they go just say, as they cross, they go in Italy, they will just sink. Because of too much weight. When they think when they take cross, when a ship from Kidi, no. Because they think are overweight. And the people's children. And Nigerian people, then they look government and this cabals and this media when they report fake all the time. Why you no go suffer? When this you know say you get criminal inside government. Na criminal, na then they inside government, gangsters. They are just there to collect money. They are not there to save nobody. They are not there to care about you. You are just there wasting your time calling their names. Hey, PDP, hey, APC, PBBP, PBAPP. Fuck it. Fuck it. So, ladies and gentlemen, these media people, they are fraudsters. They are big liars. Politicians, not their own worst. Pastors, not the same thing. So make we not dey mind this three group of people. Because they will never save us. They will never give us good thing. They will never do any good thing for us. They are bad set of people. So this is Funky D, ladies and gentlemen. We go they talk anything, any news when come and Funky D go bring you out, whether good or bad. That is me. And that is what I stand for. We get many things to talk about. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So make una they subscribe. They share my video to everybody. They share my video to every Nigerian in every part of the world. Make them know say get somebody when they give them better news, when they go they like to hear. Not be all those fake news when our media people they tell us down there. We don't want it anymore. Thank you very much, everybody. And God bless you. Bye. Funky D. Funky D. Bye.